Hi everybody, my name is Teacher Angel from Camglish.com. I'm your teacher today in the Oxford Picture Dictionary. Welcome to our class, ESL students. Hi. Now, today, before we move on to our next topic, we will have a quick review of the words we studied last time. In our last class, we learned different places to live, right? So we studied about the city, what is a city, the suburbs, what is a small town, country, or what we call a rural area, what is an apartment building, house, townhouse, and the mobile home, college dormitory, shelter, nursing home, ranch, and farm. Now, after knowing the places where we can live, it's time to find a home. Okay, now our topic is about finding a home. Now, there are certain steps when you want to rent an apartment. Okay? Certain steps in renting an apartment. If you are looking for a new apartment, this is what you're going to do. Step A. Look for a new apartment. You can read newspaper when you are looking for a new apartment. Alright? Maybe you can find different places offering apartment, or different establishment or building offering apartment. Now, if you decided to have that place, let's now move to letter B. It's time to talk to the manager. Time to talk to the manager. Alright? So this person is what we call the manager. Manager is the one who controls the business. So there are certain things that you need to consider when you want to rent an apartment. You need to talk about utilities. Utilities are the things you need to pay, like gas, water, and electricity. You need to ask the manager if you're going, or how much are you going to pay for the gas, water, and electricity. Now, if you have decided to get the apartment, you can sign a rental agreement. Rental agreement. Alright? It is a contract wherein the amount is written on the paper. A certain amount that you need to pay regularly. Alright? For you to have the right to live and use that property. Now, after signing a rental agreement, you can ask the manager the date when you can move in. When you can move into the place. When you can transfer your things, furnitures, and appliances to that new place. Alright? Then, let's go to letter E. After transferring, you can unpack your things. Alright? Unpack. Unpack means to take contents out of suitcase, bag, or any kinds of container. Alright? Unpack. Then, we have pay the rent. You need to pay the rent. Now, to settle everything, you need to pay the rent. You need to pay or settle everything by giving the money. Alright? And then, so those are the tips you need to do, or you need to consider when renting an apartment. Now we move on to the next one, which is buying a house. Oh, now here are some steps when you want to buy a house. Alright? If you are planning to buy a new house, what you need to do first is to talk to the realtor. Again, realtor. So when we say realtor, realtor is a term or trademark for a real estate agent who belongs to the National Association of Realtors. So we call them real estate agent. A realtor can help you find a new house to buy. Alright, again, realtor. Next step, make an offer. Make an offer. So the realtor will tell you about the price of the property, and you need to consider the amount if it's too expensive or just right. Alright? Next, when it's all set and you want to buy the house, you can get a loan. If you can't afford it on your own, you can get a loan. So where can you get a loan? You can borrow from bank or any other financial institution. Again, you can get a loan from a bank or any other financial institution. Very good. Now, let's go to the next step. Take ownership. Take ownership. Okay, now if you already paid for the property or the house, you can be the next owner. Alright, you can be the next owner of the house. You can get the keys. Alright, now in letter K, next step to do is to arrange the furniture. Now if you have your new home, you can arrange the furniture. Alright, you can arrange all your things inside your house. Arrange means to put in an order. To put the furnitures in order. Next, we have the last step, okay? Last thing to do. Pay the mortgage. Alright, pay the mortgage. So when you say pay the mortgage, it is a legal agreement by which a bank or similar organization lends you money to buy a house. Okay? And you pay the money back. Okay, you need to pay the money back over a particular number of years. Okay? So if you can afford to pay the mortgage, alright, or the legal agreement you made with a bank or any financial institution, you can finally get or own your house. Okay? Pay the bank first before you own it. Alright? Now, that's all for our class today. I hope you learned things you need when you're looking for an apartment and you're planning to buy a house. Again, my name is Teacher Angel. See you in our next class.